We want to solve for cosine squared x minus 3 equals 0, finding the exact solutions on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. First step would be to isolate the trig function. So I need to figure out what algebra I need to do to get the cosine x by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 3 to both sides, and then I'm going to divide by 4. So let me rewrite that. I will have cosine squared of x equals 3/4. And now it's still not isolated because it has a squared. I want just the cosine x. So I'm going to square root both sides. Remembering when I do, I need the plus and the minus. The squared and the square root will cancel. And I'm left with cosine of x equal plus or minus. Whenever you have a radical and the fraction is underneath, you can apply it to the numerator. That'll be square root of 3. And you can apply it to the denominator, and the square root of 4 is 2. Now that I've simplified that, I recognize that as a unit circle value. So I need to figure out where on the unit circle is a cosine value of square root 3 over 2 or negative square root 3 over 2. We know square root 3 over 2 would be in quadrant 1 and 4. This would be pi 6 and 11 pi 6, and then over here in quadrant 2 at 5 pi 6 the cosine is negative square root 3 over 2, and it's also that value in quadrant 3 at 7 pi 6. So my solutions are going to be pi 6, 5 pi 6, 7 pi 6, and 11 pi 6.